Recruitment practices in India are going through a paradigm shift with the increasing globalization and dominance by knowledge workers. India is the house for around 1.27 billion population, with 65% of them estimated to be under 35 years of age. The young Indian workforce in the age group between 18 to 35 years occupies the most frontline positions in any organized sector. These frontline employees form almost 80% of workforce in any industry, and they're the most attriting population too. The interesting reality about frontline employees is that they carry a high level of growth aspiration but not career goals. In the marketplace, they find fewer avenues to locate job opportunities in organized industries. The irony is, on one side there's a high level of unemployment, and on the other, the employers find it difficult to reach the right candidates. Having understood these realities and paradoxes, CareerTree, since its inception in 2003, has been doing pioneering work in the area of frontline hiring. They carry some amazing stories to share on how they support organizations in the greenfield and business expansion stages.
By frontline, I mean those who occupy the positions which are essentially the execution role.
The process begins with CareerTree recruiters understanding the customer needs. They study the nature of the job in detail and accordingly work with the employer to finalize the applicant eligibility criteria. Once the job specification is frozen, things such as locations for hiring, assessment process, usage of assessment tools, and the process of background verification are jointly decided by the recruiters and the employer. At the end, a detailed project execution plan is evolved and aligned with all stakeholders.
CareerTree as a company is known for providing solutions. When we approach the customer, we don't just present our tools and templates. Rather, we work with the client and understand what kind of talent are they really looking at. Depending on the business they are into, kind of criticality of the position, locational constraints, we do advise them in terms of the recruitment strategies and what would work and what would not work.
The execution starts with CareerTree recruiters performing extensive campaigning in the target locations with the support of the district administrative officers, employment exchanges, local media, advertisement agencies, and NGO partners. All medium of communication and mass campaigning is explored, including roadshows, pamphlet distribution, addressing youth and women's self-help groups. If the hiring is to be done through campus interviews, then a survey is launched to study various institutes in that location, and the best ones are chosen. The preparatory work and necessary arrangements are made at the venue for recruitment drive well in advance to ensure seamless execution. On the day of selection process, the registration process begins by verifying the candidate's credentials to confirm their eligibility for the job. Each eligible candidate is issued an identity card with registration number that is used to track the candidate's performance till the issue of provisional offer letter. Those who do not meet the eligibility criteria are provided with suitable career advice to ensure that they do not go back disappointed. The selection process begins by explaining to the candidates about the company, job responsibilities, nature of work, particulars about salary and benefits, and future career prospects. In most cases, this presentation is done by the employer to ensure transparency in communication. CareerTree has its indigenous online platform called CT Hiring for easy registration and evaluation of candidates using assessment tools for better data management. OMR sheets are used for the candidate registration and administering of the tests. The OMR sheets are quite detailed and cover almost all aspects that the employer wishes to understand about the candidate. The candidates mark their answers to all test questionnaires in the OMR sheet itself, making the process of evaluation easier and faster. The OMR sheet is scanned after every test to ensure only the qualified candidates are shortlisted for the subsequent assessment tests. This technology helps in recording of the assessment data live and enables the employer to take timely and data-based decisions on talent selection. It also provides high level of data security, accuracy, and integrity. The tests that are usually administered include psychodiagnostic test, general aptitude test, neuromuscular test, and group simulation exercise before they are shortlisted for the final interview. However, the type of tests used vary depending on the skills and knowledge to be assessed. Besides this, technical test, group discussion, psychometric test, case analysis, physical fitness are the other forms of tests which are used on need basis. CareerTree also has web-enabled software to administer these tests online. Throughout the selection process, the recruiters provide all support to the candidates to keep them energized and interested. At the end of the selection process, the recruiters make a compilation of all relevant documents of each candidate, verify them once again, and generate the final assessment report online for their final interview with the employer. Senior recruiters from CareerTree also participate in interviewing to share their views on the candidate's fitment. In most cases, the provisional offer letter is given to the selected candidates on the same day with a brief on their joining formalities. Post the selection process, the recruiters prepare a detailed customized MIS and share the same for employers' records. MIS is updated on a regular basis in online software until the candidates are onboarded. Continuous coordination and follow-up with the candidates is done for completion of medical examination. The personal dossier of each offered candidate is shared with the employer with all relevant documents essential for the onboarding process. All hiring-related files are maintained for a period of 6 months for the purpose of auditing and reference at later stage. Another highlight of CareerTree's holistic support is the induction training support for new joinees, which includes both behavioral and basic technical subjects. The value addition is far greater, especially when freshers are recruited and they are required to undergo thorough orientation on organization values, culture, policies, work ethics, etiquettes, quality of life, besides orientation on technical subjects. After getting inducted for a period of 6 days to 12 weeks, the new recruits come out as work-ready talent.
We are fortunate to have some of the best in the industry as our customers, be it manufacturing, be it IT, or be it service. We have had the wonderful experience of working with some of the best in the industry, who not only took the support and solutions from us, but they've also challenged us. They've also challenged us in terms of being different and to come up with solutions that match up to their standards and expectations. So,
if you find our approach meaningful and process robust enough to address your hiring needs, please do write to us at karthik@career-tree.in or call us at 044 4900 4900.